Unit 9, Level 2, page 314, page 314. De plus plural adjectives. Sometimes when we describe items, we use adjectives in front of the noun in French. Those are the bangs adjectives: beauty, age, numbers, goodness, and size. But what we never talked about is what happens when those adjectives are plural, because the noun they are describing is also plural. Normally in front of plurals we put les or des, les or des. Well, if you were going to say des vieilles, you cannot, because in French there's an arbitrary rule that says that des must change to de before a plural adjective preceding a plural noun. Here are some examples. Tu as toujours de vieilles chaises. Do you still have some old chairs? The de would normally have been des, but because of this special rule, we must change it to de. It's another type of pas de rule, but this time it's not negative. Oui, mais j'ai de nouvelles lampes. Again, you have de instead of des. When an adjective that precedes a noun is an inseparable part of that noun, the des does not become part of de. Je voudrais des petits pois. In other words, normally if the petit must go with pois, because peas can only be said in that manner. In other words, we can't say peas without the petit. Then we can leave the des there. Des petits pois. Remember to use des before a noun whose plural adjectives comes after. On va acheter des légumes frais. One is going to buy some fresh vegetables. So des légumes frais. Notice frais is the adjective, it goes after. There are no changes when adjectives go after. We just keep the des as normal. Let's do an exercise. Exercise 5 below. La famille Ramos a besoin de nouveaux meubles. Dites ce qu'ils achètent. The Ramos family needs new furniture. Tell what they buy. So what we have here is in the model, les Ramos achètent de nouvelles lampes. They buy some new lamps. Number 1, they are buying some new tables. So what are we going to write? We are going to write les Ramos achètent and because the tables are plural and they're new, and new is a bangs adjective, we're not going to say the des, we're going to put de because the bangs adjective nouvelle is coming after it. And then we put tables. Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2, they are buying some rugs. So we are going to say les Ramos, and then we're going to use achète again. Les Ramos achètent, and since the rugs are new, we would have written des, but we are using the bangs adjective new, and they are masculine, so we have to put nouveau, and then we write the word for rugs, tapis. Okay, you need to do the rest of these exercises. Bonne chance.